Before and after, the magic of hair extensions revealed. Want longer, fuller, head-turning hair? Hair extensions are the ultimate secret weapon for total transformation. Because bad hair days are so last season, this buttery blonde blend delivers instant volume and glow, perfect for everyday glam. From basic to bold, this brunette look proves micro wefts aren't just about length, they bring drama and depth. Hair dreams do come true. These rich golden tones create a full-bodied, sunlit blonde that turns heads all year round. Cha-ching! The money piece is back and better. This install adds bold face-framing brightness for an instant lift. Ombre meets inches. This transformation blends dark roots with creamy ends, giving total influencer energy. Sleek, shiny, and swingy, this rich mocha blend brings volume and sophistication in every flip. Natural meets luxury. This seamless blonde look blends blonde and brunette for effortless elegance. Go long or go home. These multi-toned blonde layers add length, lift, and serious confidence. This one left us speechless. A bold, icy platinum transformation that's full of shine and full of attitude. Move over Ariel. Soft waves, multi-toned blonde, and waist-length drama bring pure mermaid magic. From short to long, fine to fabulous, these looks prove that the right extensions don't just change your hair, they change your whole vibe.